If I sit right here, we might be able to make that.
No, not at that angle. No, I tried to tell you, no.
Wait, Johnny, stop. Yo, stop.
We can try and give you a little bit of a push.
Okay.
He fell out of the rut, otherwise he bumped.
Yeah, you got to try and keep straight in the rut back too.
Forward or back first?
Let's go forward a tiny bit, just like
Almost turn
a
up
few
to the
feet.
left a little bit, right?
Not until he gets further down.
Okay, yeah.
Go ahead.
More juice, more.
That's all right. Stop. Dig it out. All right, nice and easy. Go ahead.
All right, there you go. Stay steady.
Keep going.
Steady. Yeah, there you're in it. Now you're back in that rut, brother. Stay on.
Don't stop. Don't stop.
No feather. Just keep that steady
Gain
pedal.
speed. Gain speed. Gain speed.
Got it?
Keep going. Keep going. Turn and keep going. Turn and keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. No. What are you doing? He's going to try and pull straight. I don't know if that's going to go well. No, not at that angle. No, I tried to tell you. No. Yeah, back up. You can't turn the wheel like that. That's why I was trying to tell you, you got to have momentum.
You're good. Let's come back a little more. Drop one thing.
You're going to go back. You can't turn the wheel. That's why I was saying you got to roll that momentum and go. As soon as you stop and turn that wheel, you're dead weight.
Yeah,
All right, so wheel straight. It ain't matter. Go like 5 feet. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. A little bit more. A little bit more. All right, stop. Man, we almost had it. I tried to tell you. You don't listen, man.
No.
I tried. All right.
One more push.
Yeah, we gotta go forward a tiny bit. I think you gotta. This might be a bad angle. Go ahead, give it a little bit. Nice and easy. Forward, nice and easy. Nice and no wheel straight. Do not turn the wheel straight. Just a little bit of gas. Go ahead.
Oh no, he's coming down.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. I'm like, what? I don't know why he did that. Man, you really done did it in. Let's try and go back one more time. Let me dig it out.
Yeah.
You gotta roll the momentum, and you cannot turn the wheel. You did both, and you're now we're at a little bit of an angle is the problem. You're not straight. Try if we can. The goal is gonna be to go back like 5-10 feet and just barely turn the wheel if you're moving, and then start straight and start going that way, and then slowly.
They're still on the beach. You are welcome to stay and dry,
Alex,
Sam, but the water is now closed because we do have lightning in the
There's
storm.
Alex.
I'll let you know when it's passed.
All right, go ahead, nice and easy. Just a little bit, yep.
Keep going. Straight.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Keep
Keep going.
going.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
All right, that's good. Stop.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now when we push from the back, wheel straight at first. If you start moving, slowly turn that wheel.
Yeah, but stay steady on both. It'll be all right here.
All right, go ahead. Nice and easy. Yep.
All right, now rip it
Yep.
and go. Turn
Now
and go.
start
turn
going,
and go,
yep.
Turn and go. Turn and go.
There we go. Yay.
All right, dog.
See you, buddy. I tried so hard to tell him.
Oh, yeah.
We still got him out of there, though. That's what matters. So,
yeah.
we outie. Alrighty, guys. We are down here on the south end, and I got a call for a Dodge Charger, and it appears as though there is a, I believe, 3,500 work truck 4x4 railed out pulling on it. This is just like if y'all saw our Daytona Truck Week video where he tried to pull him forward into the conservation zone. Yeah, this is a repeat of that video. All right, yeah, let me take a look at him.
Take a look at it. You can't get it out. It's pretty tight. Mine, right? You can't get them out. It's on my end, right?
I mean, shoot, I'm
here to make money, not spend.
I get you. We've never not been able to get them out though.
I hate all these in the back.
The deal is that I've got 12 months. You've got what? 14, 15, 12,
Another 15 and a half
15.
months.
Yeah, just some of them. And if I could have hooked up and got him out there, he's got 100 feet of toe straps in the truck. But we couldn't really get down there.
Yeah.
To get me hooked here.
Yeah,
We didn't
these things. Oh.
They're heavy. They're
Yeah.
compact.
They just got nothing to hook up to. And
Nothing at
the
all.
exhaust is nice, but the way they run it, it's right in front of the rear controller.
Yeah.
So it basically burns anything that you hook up right there.
Honestly, we may have to dig to get under.
Oh, if I hook up to the back, we're definitely digging.
Yeah.
Hypothetically, though, with your front end, obviously, it's two-wheel drive, so it's still up. If I hook up to the front and just get where he's at and not even pull on it, but winch it, I can get you up, and we can either crawl it around, or once you're on top of the sand, we don't got to dig it out as much. We can just pull it back a lot easier, you know? The only problem with that plan is he's in our way.
Yeah.
So,
And his truck's 10,000 pounds.
yeah.
That car's 5.
I mean, I'll pull it out, but the problem is I want to pull him backwards, you're in the way.
Yeah.
I don't really want to. This is all conservation stuff. So.
Yeah, the further you go up, the softer it gets, correct?
Correct. Yeah, the further north. I mean, this trip for a while is good. If you stay like down there in the lane, you know what I mean? The further up you come, the worse it gets.
Yeah.
He's covering you, Bubba, so I'm going to get it out. You ain't got to worry about digging it.
I think mine come out.
Okay. It's going to dig deeper. Depends on how bad he's sitting on it. But it's worth giving a shot. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, honestly.
The only thing is with how close you guys are, I don't know if I can really pull you past him. Or pull him past you.
But if you can get here, you can take me that way.
That's kind of what I was thinking, but I don't know. Can we make that angle past him? I mean, that's short. If I sit right here, we might be able to make that.
That's risky, though.
Well, if we're using the winch, we can crawl it by the inches. We'll
That's
know if
true.
it's close.
And if I know if you're keeping your wheel straight, you come out much better. But
Yeah.
if we're going this way and I turn my
you
wheel,
turn the wheel
straight.
Let's give that a shot.
Actually, he's not that far.
Maybe a pass.
If he's able to reverse, he's not quite on the frame yet.
Right.
Oh, but they're straight axles, aren't they?
That's the problem. That thing's almost.
Oh, he's dragging on both pumpkins.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Another thing is those frames drop down, probably 6 inches.
Yeah.
Below the door.
Yeah, I mean, this side of the frame isn't touching yet. Well, I think he's dragging both pumpkins.
Rob, if I get out of the way, you may be able to come back.
All right. Well, I guess let's try that. We can't really back up much anyway.
Is this the first Hellcat? I know y'all did a Corvette recently. First Charger Hellcat.
Last thing, I know it's definitely not the first Charger, but my first time recording a Hellcat. But I don't think it's his first.
Facebook.
Huh?
TikTok and Facebook.
I do all like the YouTube videos actually.
YouTube?
Yeah, he uses the Meta glasses for all the TikTok and
Okay,
Facebook.
so-
Yeah. Well, I think this is our first Hellcat for YouTube.
Heck yeah, man.
Yeah. This is our first Hellcat for YouTube, right?
Yeah, for long form, for sure. And I don't know, is there a difference? Like the SRT, is that any different than a regular Hellcat?
It's their straight racing technology development specifically.
So yeah, this might be like my third. I definitely haven't done many. That's
Yeah.
Go ahead. You go any further? All right, now turn it all the way this way again.
Still short drive.
Drive just a tiny bit of gas. I'm actually going to get a little bit more here. Our goal is to get you up on top and then I'll readjust.
Wait, Johnny, stop! Yo, stop! All right. You're on the hitch. You're like cinching up the pintle.
Oh,
You're good now, I think.
okay.
Yeah. That's on the other side.
I got you. Yeah, see if you can crawl.
Come on.
All right, hold on. Let me readjust.
Yeah. Oh, stop. Stop. There you go. Yeah.
All right, I think. All right, so I can unhook, then you can start dancing. So I think I'm just gonna put a rope on because I can actually work with it, and we'll take you down to where you definitely work and stuff, right? So now we're all the way this way. Oh, just. All right, biggest thing is go straight to me, leave tension on the line. Last one. We'll take it easy. We're just gonna make a big old horseshoe and bring you down there and hard, all right? Hey, the free sometimes won't adjust, but it won't matter.
You're fine to let go. Okay.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it does.
Go ahead, back up just a tiny bit. Good. All right, wheel all the way this way. Yep. All right, all the way the other way. All right, you want to see if you can get yours out real quick? Yeah, it's not moving. All right. Here, hold on. All right, you want me to get him and then we'll square up?
I think he likes to hold ropes. This is gonna be fun.
I got it. All right, I'm gonna have to give this one a little bit of a bump because you're heavy.
That's fine.
We should be once we get you up out of the hole, you should be all right. Yep, we'll probably take you just about 10 feet or so, and you should be good.
Yup. There you go. There you go. You're good. Sweet. That was.
I'm pretty sure he was riding the brakes. I couldn't tell. We'll see how they go.
He
That went well, though.
he
We
was
got
giving a hell. He was in low, 4 low.
Well, we got it. That's what
that
matters.
sounded great.
Yep.
No problem. I will never drive that Charger back on his stand.
Yeah, not on the
I
sand.
have this same truck, but in a 2500.
There you go.
We'll get it back from Madam.
Yep, there you go. There you go.
All right.
Thank
Exactly.
you, sir.
Have a great one.
DM us on something. We'll try and tag you in the YouTube video.
Yeah, please, guys.
Absolutely. There you go, guys. It was definitely kind of just like the truck week situation, but we were able to get them both out of there in one piece, and that's what matters. So they're off on their way, and we're on ours. Adios.
Like and subscribe to Santo. They're the best.
Subscribe to Santo.